MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Hurry up and get your hands on one of these 2016 Freightliner Cascadias. This is a 455 horsepower, 10-speed, 72-inch sleeper, very well maintained. It sits at 503,000 on the miles with 12K fronts and 40K rears and a 228-inch wheelbase. You've got 225 LPs with aluminum wheels all around with a 190-gallon fuel tank. Your engine, a Detroit DD15. With that fuller 10-speed transmission. Let's go inside to a super clean interior. Your sleeper has tons of room and storage, and your dash shines. Come and get this truck, a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. Call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.